Okay, good morning. It's a double actually. Today is Monday, September 29th, 2025. Market open already, and I've basically put out the top and the bottom. Then the previous day's high, and also previous day's low. Previous day high being this blue line, previous day's low, next low actually, the red line, extended all the way out, and you see the top of this morning, bottom of this morning after it opened. So my question now is, I'm seeing that it's spiking up. I'm looking for long or short, right? Continuation of trend of closing of the gap. Right, this is the NVDA. It opened gaps up this morning clearly. So if it go below this, I'm short, and go above that, I just go long. That's what I look for the morning run. So I actually missed the pullback actually on this, but that's fine. So let's look. Looking for long. If we break right here, and go long. And let's see. Holding our breath, right? Hey. Yeah. Oh. I found me just go. Yeah. It's telling me to go long for now. Yeah. Company continually shows trend, but it's a very go long. Yeah. So my mind's healthy. Let's go for it. Right. So now, no. We go through the blue line. That's profit taking. I go below the low yellow line. Close it out. In that sense. Yeah. So now I wait to wait again. But the thing is, if I look at the MACD, the momentum actually dies down already and narrowed this point. So what does that tell me? That tells me basically it might be I'm in this trade for a longer duration. If it's gonna work out or not. Because the first momentum is basically compressed down. That's why the MACD, as you can see, comes off. It narrows off the fast line versus the slow line, right? The blue and the orange line, they actually at this point converge. So that tells me the first move momentum. Okay, let's see the news. What's the news this morning? Okay, so continuation of OpenAI and NVDA on the shares, investment, and so Tesla also businesses with Tesla. NVIDIA was, Tesla uses our chips, so it's part of that. Okay, that's fine. It's the morning. So far as I'm holding, I'm seeing if it will continuing this. If not, no. The other part is maybe I should just go flat, right? There's just not much going on. If I look at the broader market, it's pretty sideways, right? The Dow is down a little, the QQQ is up a little, very slightly. So there's not much going on. Actually, if the market moves, yes. If the market goes up, this guy will rips up. Right, let's look at it. QQ, right? So, yeah. Nothing much going on. Gaps up. And then sideways little next up move, right? And that's that. Also, so let's go back to the video. Yeah, okay, so looks like it wants to drift back off, so it's maybe even come below before they make it an up or down move. I don't know. I don't try to predict the future. Look at, if that's a good trade, I take the trade. It's like if there's a possibility of it breaks up, go long. Breaks down, go short. All these typically happens before 10 o'clock for the first move. Let's look at the news, right? CNBC. See, Dow is slightly down. S&P 500 slightly up, right? Yay, going private. Okay, so nothing much going on. That's, I guess, a company going private. Big gaming company, right? So not much. It's the others. Any other stuff, right? Monday and it's cold via Apple, Tesla, Wells Fargo. Oh, okay. Yeah, not much. Let's look at the economic calendar. Let me see. It doesn't look like much going on. Oh, this is Oh, this is next week actually. They're gonna move back to yeah, this is October, so I need to move the calendar back in actuality. It's the September 6. Yeah, doesn't look like anything going on. Even on the economic, at least not today. Yeah, nothing going on. Later on, we have these, and that will be Thursday anyway. No, we're all the way to Thursday. Yeah, so that's just not much going on right now. Let's look at the market map. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of small red, couple of green, the NVDA, big green, but most is sideways. This is not gonna help. A long trail, yeah, or the short trail, I think. Yeah. Okay, go back to the video. Let's see what's going on. It's just a side drift, huh? Look at this one, drift down, drift up. It's just kind of like holding your breath, right? Waiting to exhale. Okay. Take some breath. We'll see what the signal is, right? It's still above this 13 bars moving average that I like, right? The white line, the moving average line is above that. It's holding above that, so I like that. That sense, I'm buying it strong, but if the market can help it, the broader market goes with up. AMD, okay, AMD, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's some good trade. I missed this trade, yeah. Sometimes you don't get it all. If I took the brick up, then brick to the upside, then yeah, it's a profitable trade. Now we'll be a good trade on AMD. Now, focus on one. That's the thing. Sometimes you should take multiple stock, right? Buy a few of the strong. Is that as you progress with the Zapapa, back in my days, yeah, I'll have like 4 or 5 trades going on at the same time. But at this point, I'll demonstrate one at a time clearly what I'm thinking and how I would play, right? But AMD definitely will be a winner of that trade. And let's go back to that. The NVDA trade, yeah, it's just drifting off, right? So, I'm actually considering going flat already. This is just like not going nowhere. There's no point to extend these whole moving rush. Right, things move at the trade. Take profit, take loss. Okay, now it's sitting right on the 13 days moving average. I'm not too worried at this point. In actuality, it's holding up well. But who knows, right? Well, the MACD definitely is turning negative. Crossed down already, right? The fast line, the blue line has closed over the slow line on MACD. So that is in a negative with this long trade. So now I'm thinking, okay, the best is to go flat. At some point, if it drifts back up a little, and then I flat on my P&L, no loss, no gain. Take out the trade and always can come back later. Otherwise, going to be holding for hours, right? The intradays, I don't want to hold for hours. I want to get in and get out. The way I trade intraday is actually even longer than most people. Most people are like, make a dollar, make a penny, take profit. Lose a penny, get out. It's kind of like high frequency, right? For me, I don't do that high frequency stuff anymore. I would just find a good setup, good trade, and then just ride with it at this point. But at this point, this is actually drift. And this drift, and I have a trade on. I'm looking for exit for going flat already, or increase my sizing at this point. There's no point to hold your full size at this point. If I have 1,000 shares, I'll probably kick out half of it at some point. I don't want to put that much risk on it. Okay, now as I said, pulling back up above the breakout line is a problem. To drop below the breakout breakout line. That's the big problem for me right now in Intraday. So I'm really going to go flat at this point. It's forming kind of like a head and shoulder pattern at this point, or like and momentum definitely a little bit depth. I'm just gonna kick it. Momentum that's out. We'll get flat. Take it out. No, flat. No gain, no loss. That's good. No. Still good trade. Good setup. Good trade. Doesn't void something as expected. No. Go flat. Don't have to take loss. That's good. Alright. Right now, this is 9:53. 9:50 something already. Yes. It's almost 10 o'clock. Nah, I don't want to hold drifts. I don't like holding drifts. Yeah. So it's going to continue to do a spin and it'll come back and a little later. Okay. Yeah. So interesting. Yeah. Okay. That's all for this morning. Thanks for watching.